integral te tutor channel atangin chi bai kan book le vek chiwa voina chuan algebraic expressions sami puntir kan zir le dona exercise 9.3 kan zo to a exercise 9.4 kan zir dona ni voina hian exercise 9.4 a hian binomials kan ti te binomials le trinomials te pon yanga kha kan puntir dan kan zir dona ni amasa in English in kan ti lenga chuan mizo in kan soifia le done Today we are going to learn about the multiplications of binomials and binomials, or somewhere in binomials with trinomials maybe. So we are going to multiply different terms as we have seen here in the equations in exercise 9.4. Firstly, we are going to explain it with English, after which I'm going to translate again the explanation into Mizo. So I hope that not only the Mizo people, but also the non-Mizo may also get a benefit from this class. And here in question number 1, multiply the binomials is there. So here 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3 have to be multiplied. Then here 2x plus 5 have to be multiplied with 4x minus 3. So here we are going to multiply here with 2x with 4x minus 3 first, then after which 5 will multiply with 4x minus 3. And here we have put 2x here outside the bracket, and we wrote 4x minus 3 inside the bracket, plus, here plus is there, 5, we write 5 here inside the bracket, we put 4x minus 3 again. Then we will multiply. 2 into 4 is 8. X into x is x squared. Then minus sign is there. 2 3s are 6, and it will carry x with it. Then here plus is there, we are writing plus here. 5 4s are 20, and it will carry x along with it. Minus 5 3s are 15. So we are going to add or subtract the like terms of these expressions. So no other terms have carried x squared with it, so we will write it as it is, 8x squared as it is here as answer. But here minus 6x is there plus with 20x plus 20x. Yes, we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. 20 minus 6 is 14, so it will carry x along with it, and it will carry the sign, the mathematical sign of the bigger term, that is 20. So we write plus here, plus 14x, then minus 15, we write it as it is because it has no other number to subtract or add with it. So that will be the answer. In the same way, here in sum number 2, y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So here y we will write here as outside the bracket and 3y minus 4 inside, and here minus 8 is there, then we write 3y minus 4 inside the bracket again. Then here we have you have to remember that if there is no numerical coefficient with the variables here, you have to imagine that there is always 1 here. So 1 into 3 is 3, y into y is y squared, minus y into 4 is 4y. So here minus is there, minus 8 3s are 24, it carries y with it. Then minus is there outside, here inside minus also is there, so we have to multiply minus and minus. Minus into minus is plus, so 8 4s are 32. So there is no other y square here in these expressions, so we have to write 2y squared as it is, minus here both the terms have carried minus sign, minus 4y and minus 24y. So since the mathematical sign that they have carried is the same, so you have to add it together. So it will be minus 24 plus 4 is 28y, and plus 32 as it is. So that will be the answer. Uh, all the way through here, in number 3, I have done it for you because there is decimal point. You may have find it difficult to understand, but that is not the problems, uh, because you have studied in class 765 how to multiply the decimal numbers. Here we have 2.5L minus 0.5M, 2.5L plus 0.5M here inside. Then, as we have done it before, here we have write 2.5L outside, then this term, the whole term we have write it inside the bracket, minus, here minus is there, so 0.5M inside the bracket, there is 2.5L plus 0.5M inside the bracket. So we are going to multiply 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25, L into L is L square, plus 2.5 into 0.5 is 1.25. So here L is there, here M is there. So both are multiplying together, it will be LM. So the answer will be 1.25 LM minus, here also 0.5 M with 2.5 L, that is 1.25 LM, minus 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25. M and M together make M square. So at the middle here, there are like terms, that is 1.25, those are 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM. They are the same number, with their mathematical sign is different, so we have to cancel it. 1.25 L cut with 1.25 LM. Okay, so the remaining one is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. In sum number 5 here, I have done it just because these are fraction, no, rational numbers are there. That is 3 by 4 S square plus 3B square to multiply with A square minus 2 by 3B square. So we will put this one first outside the bracket, 3 by 4 S square. Inside the bracket we will put these terms. Then plus is there here, plus we write 3B square, we have write it here. Then inside the bracket we have shift down here these terms. So we'll multiply. Here there is always 1, okay? 1 into 3 by 4 is always 3 by 4. A square into A square is A to the power 4 minus 3 by 4 A square into 2 by 3B square. So you have to understand here, if you multiply 3 by 4 with 2 by 3, let me write it here, okay? Please see that. Let's see, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 to multiply it with 2 by 3, no? Yes, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. If you multiply 3 by 4 with 2 by 3 here, you can cut this 3 and 3 we can cut down. With 2 this is 1 time, with 2 this is 2 times. So what will be the remaining answer? That will be 1 by here 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So here, uh, here we have right 1 by 2. Here a square is there, here b square is there, a square b square, plus, okay, 3 into 1, here 1 is there, 3 into 1 is 3, 3a square b square, minus, yes, here also, we'll mention this Okay, we write it 3 into 2 by 3, yes, 2 by 3. So if you multiply 3 into 2 by 3, here 3 and 3 will simplify, so the remaining one will be 2. So here, if you multiply 3 with 2 by 3, the remaining one will be 2. Then your b square is there, b square is there, so together it will be 2b to the power 4. So here at the middle here, they are like terms. 1 by 2 a square b square plus 3 a square b square. Then we'll write it as it is. 3 by 4 s to the power 4 we'll write it as it is, minus, we'll put this inside the bracket first, then 1 by 2 s square b square minus 3 s square b square. So we will take LCM 2, then here 1 is there, 1 s square b square minus, here 3 does not have any denominators that can be multiplied with LCM 3, 2 3s are 6, s square b square. So we'll write this one as it is. So 3 by 4 a to the power 4 is there here, minus, then 6 minus 1 is 5. So the bigger one is carrying minus sign, so it will be minus 5 by 2 s square b square minus 2b to the power 4. So as for the answer, 3 by 4 a to the power 4, we'll write that this minus into minus is plus 5 by 2 a square b square minus 2b to the power 4. Ah, that will be the answer. And the remaining questions, I don't know. Oh, let me turn off the pages of your textbook. Okay. In Oh, I have made a mistake here. In the number one, number one, 4 and 5. I have done it. I have not done it. So here, uh, that will be 6. Okay, this will be 6. Uh, that will be, yes, yes, yes. So sub number 4 and sub number 5, I have not done it. That will be left for you to do. Okay. Other than that, so question number exercise 9.4, question number 1 at kanin kan san le anga ta hian 2x plus 5 4x minus 3 put dito ta ani na ta kana 2x hian 4x le minus 3 hi apun ti ve ve nga chun 5 hian 4x le minus 3 san na put ti le ve ve to na ni chu chu tiang he kan sek chok ta 2x kan sek khota chun hemi a han jok bracket chu mi te kan sek ta hala chun plus kan da a ke 5 kan da le ta 5 hian hemi te kan ye put ti le ro ni na ta put ti ta pa ni hun li pari ro nia x le x to x square ni mai ta 1 minus pahnih hmun thum paru ka lo nia chuan x hi a keng hna langa tah hian panga hmun li hi sawm ni nia chuan x a keng hna langa minus ania panga hmun thum sawm panga lo ta ni chuan 8x square lo ta chuan tah hian a lai hian tram inang a lo um ta ni chu 20 le 6 hian x ve ve mai a tram inang ania an sign a len ang lo zuia sign an lo chuan tam sok sai tem zo kan pai mai don ni som ni tangin paru ki paya so pali lo ta mai ta extra no king telanga an assign put to the two hen alien jok side ni pu plus mo an minus 15 hen vele mo pai ni tur nei wa te na ngai kan la thale ta chuan 8x square minus 14x minus 8x square plus 14x minus 15 hei hi answer tu ta ni asan chu hei ala to hem kan chuan to ti to lo asan chu like terms to mi vele pai tu ta khau to lo ti hian answer tu ta mo question number 2 po hian hei minus 7 of ta ka wang hian of ta ko e wang hian sai ti ngai du thil pakhat a awm a tu wang ta ti ta y minus 8 le 3y minus 4 equal to 4 ta ama che kan teng to kan y kan da a chun hei a zo kan bracket chung kan da ta chuan minus 8 ที่พวกนักการตาเลต้าที่สูงกันตาเลต้านี่ส่วนเท่าไรเห็นอ้วนออกมาได้งานนี้พวกขัดทุนประตูตัวส่วน y เลย y คือ y square เนี่ยไม่อะ minus y เลย 4ที่คุณดู4 y เนี่ยไม่อะ minus ประเดี๋ยวทุนสมเหตุบริส่วน y นี่แหละตาส่วนเท่าตักเขียนเอาไปหมดตาดูถ้าได้ minus ออกมาทุ่ง minus ออกมาที่ได้มีตั้งแต่ตัวตาเห็น minus ออกมาตั้งเดียวเลยทีนะassign ที่คุณดูตัวนี้ Apo na may nasa, tu na may nasa. Sila nga may nasa, tu may nasa plus na. Maya, yun parit mong iso. Halo ni tani. San alaya hen like trans o na 4y na 24y. Y na ibebe ni sam na nga ta a. Tuan ta hen may nasa side bebe na puto yun. Hala, side na nga tu katuan ni bel may turan ni. So tituan 3y square is bel puto le bel puto na ilo ngay kan la a. Minus. Tuan pali le degree hi kan bel do kan ha degree pali bel ton degree ta lo ne nga y king ala nga plus 32 do tan oh this one question number 3 ya yang decimal point na umaba hin kan no sile mai mai ya 2.5 l minus 0.5 m 2.5 l plus 0.5 m ya anin to ka chuan 9.5 kan je tu la hen het em for formula apply ni tu kami na oma kari lu te tu sang u ka de ko 9.5 kami tu ni se ki all some I all some formula man kan so e mar tu kan ai tu e kan pu ti da pa ngai kan kal kui le pa kan 2.5 l ta kan da a tu thelai mi bracket ni so ka ta kan da ta ni tuan tan minus lo mo minus mo 0.5 m kan da nga tu bracket ni so ka sek le ta la nga Isa kan putih rang 2.5 dan 2.5 A putih itu 6.25 kalau ni yang L le L square maya plus kalau tadi 2.5 le 0.5 A putih itu 1.25 itu kama tuan assign di tain L lo oma tain M mo oma L M ni mai tuan minus tain 0.5 le 2.5 itu putih rang 1.25 ni ya L le lain ini L M ni maya mo takkan minus le helai plus itu minus itu plus minus mo 0.5 le 0.5 itu 0.25 m le m to m square ani mai ta ni this one 6.25 l square o kati so find and 1.25 lm over time 1.25 lm over mase unsigned ken hin ang taro ni plus le minus ta so mean it hin ta number in sign ko ta ko so kat dai mai do mo so this one 6.25 L square minus and I mean 0.25 L square. That's the answer. This one here so na ta ma pila kan wa sum number 6 na kan 3 by 4 A square plus 3B square the A square minus 2 by 3B square ka dong ta ni tan nuai maya chung le moi ne ka fraction kan ma seng ta kan in boy do chung lo ti ka ya chuan enge kan tiang 3 by 4 s square kan la a bracket ni so kan sek le a plus ni mo 3b square kan sek le a tan bracket ni so kan sek le tan kan put pi do tan ni 3 by 4 in helai hen 3 by 4 is 1 to 3 by 4 maya s square le s square put a to the 4 more minus minus kan ta 3 by 4 le 2 by 3 hi kan put pi ra ngai ta se kan kan pi sin mo 3 le 3 hi kat thế rồi thì người nói nha tuần 2 le 4 hi ít chụp thế thì có cả vật ý là không thật chân đấy vật ý là không gì tuần nào là chụp sự nghe hay lại bằng hạt lẽ hay lại bằng hạt sự chụp sự mấy à tuần bằng tuần là tuần 3 by 4 le 2 by 3 tuần 1 by 2 chụp bằng a square cái ngã tại b square cái kiểu là bộ này plus 3 in ta hiam pakhat om hi ma put tilanga pathum hum khat pathum set a square oma b square oma mon tuat minus minus an ta a hian 3 le 2 by 3 hi put til le tu ni ei 3 le 2 by 3 ta put til na 3 le 3 hi te nai kat ma kanga 2 hi la chuang lel do na mo so bin tuan a hian e karan put til chi han 2 chen tu ta mo 2 b to the power 4 ta ni So na nge 3 by 4 a to the power 4 hian an pui nei lo ba angai kan dang an minus mo ta hian 1 by 2 a square b square to bracket 2 kan dang mo then bracket 2 kan dang le kan helai plus minus kan alanga 3 a square b square this one hemi te pani like terms kan ti term na kan ni ba again LCM kan langa LCM kan la pa ni LCM kan ta hi 2 LCM kan me mo chuan ta hian 1 a square b square ni minus 3 hian hnuai nei ve lo wang LCM hian put til top tu kan ti kha kan hi mun tum paru a square b square mo minus 2b to 4 4 ta a chuan hei hian angai kan la thata tarang minus mo chuan ta hian a chung hian paruk hian pakhat a payanga paruka pakhat pai chu panga mo alian zo kan in bio vai minus sign kan put dira panga anoi pahnih a awm bawk chuan a square b square a awm bawk mo chuan hei chungai kan la lel dawn ani 3 by 4 a to the power 4 plus tanga enge plus ani chan a minus into minus plus ani maya 5 by 2 a square b square minus 2b to the power 4 ha ha answer chu ni le mai ta ni kha kha kan zir ta chu lo ni ta a ba ku zonga po hi find the product vel vek ani ta pun pi le vek hemi ang vek hi hemi chap ta chu ani tuan chuak pak mai ni number 3 na khan dang lam do tak o ve a chu ni mai a number 2 na point pa ni le karon so ka number 1 le number 4 na karon so ta number 2 le 3 khai ti chu ni okay almost all the equations are the same here in this chapter in this exercise as we have done it in number 1 we are going to do it continuously here in number 2 also the same process is going to be carried on so uh, with 5 minus 2x we have to multiply 3 plus x. So as we have done it here, we will write 5 here, then inside the bracket we will put these terms. 3 plus x here, minus 2x we will put outside the bracket, and 3 plus x here as it is. So we will multiply 5 3s are 15, plus 5 into x is 5x, minus 2 3s are 6, 6x, minus into plus minus, 2x into x is 2x squared. So 15 we'll put it as it is. So here 5x minus 6x is there. From 6 you have to subtract 5, that is 1, so no need to write it here. So we'll just write x. So it will carry minus sign because 6x carries minus sign, which is a bigger number. Minus x and minus 2x squared. Then that will be the answer. Then number 4. Here p square minus q square is there. There are 2p plus q if we have to multiply with it. So p square will put it outside here. P square then 2p plus q inside. Then minus q will take here minus q square. Then we'll put 2p plus q inside the bracket. Then if you multiply p square with 2p, then here 1 is there, 1 2s are 2. Here p square is there. If you multiply it with another p, the number of p will increase. That will be 2pq. Then we write plus here. Then if you multiply p square with q, that will be p square q. Minus, here we have q square multiplied with 2p, that will be 2p q square. Okay. Then minus into plus is minus. Q square into q is qq. So the number of q will increase. No? So many the common mistake that the children used to make is that here we have p squared q minus 2pq squared. Some children think that these are like terms, but they are not like terms. Here there are 2p here, p occurs 2 times and q 1 time. But here p occurs 1 time only and q 2 times. So they cannot be the same terms, like terms. Okay, that's why we put this as answer. kan sei tong khan question number 2 kan sei tong question number 2 po hi ama question number 1 kan so thok khan ya ma se sei bel tu hlek hlek chu om ve thi na ta hian 1 le 4 se koron so ka sub number 1 le 4 sub number 2 le 3 khanang ma ni so tu na ne mo sub number 2 le 3 khanang ma ni so tu ni a this one ma kan tiang khan 5 hi upon kan da a 3 plus x chung kan da nga minus 2x kan da pona then 3 plus x hi ngai kan la le ta ne so kan put tir tanang panga mun chung so panga plus panga mun x2 panga x an mai minus pati mun thum paru x la ki nga minus into plus minus ni nga pati mun khat pati ala ni nga x le x is equal to x square ni mai ta ne this one like term som chen like term so kan sim sele don ani 15 hen an puya nei lo pa constant term tin om to panga 6x le 5x oma ta hian 6 atanga 5 hi pai chuan 1 ania zian an khera ngai lo wa x top kha kan la tha thei ta ni chu chuan 6 hian alian zo khen minus sign a put vai tai minus sign kan ta ta a an minus 2x square hi ngai kan la tha ta hei answer chu ni mai chuan sub number 4 a hian p square minus q square uh, uh, le 2p plus q om le ta p square hi pona kan da nga 2p plus q hi ta hian kan da le ta ni ti chuan minus q square kan da 2p plus q ta kan da le ta ni kan pun ti rang helai a hian p square hin 1 a nei ve reng kan ti ha pakhat mun hi chu pahni ni maya p square hi p ne ni pa pun ti chuan p om zat kha ron pung to nga o helai p pahni om le helai p pakhat om hi vai p pathum lo to ni oh 2pq and plus chuan p square le q i pun chu chuan p square q ani maya minus lo om le ta a hen pakhat om re ka te ha pakhat mun ni pahnih mo chuan p kan la thla theia chuan q hi square ta boka 2pq square ta ni chuan minus q square le q i pun chu chuan hei helai q pahnih om le helai q pakhat om chu q q pani mai mom ti khan answer chu ni mai ta hianin no pang tam takin an ti sual tlang pui om ta a chu helai p square q le pq square hi like term samon te helai hi bel le bayan tum tral thin ani han en wang ula like term sani lo je chu tain p pahnih oma ta pakhat tain q khat oma tain q ni oh ha ai ang thei lo shim shim ani chu wang chuanin hei like term sani lo ba kan belin kan pai thei lo shim shim ani chuan sub number 2 la thi kha nang ma ni kut zala tla ni chu ai an ve ka wangin chuan question number 3 a po hian question number 3 tam riawa sub number 1 le sub number 4 le sub number 7 le sub number 8 tai kan da don ni ti chuan x square minus 5 x square plus x plus 5 plus 25 om tan hey aron om tan noi maya ta plus 25 aron mal tat ngok ta ma se hey hemi te bracket om ve ve te kan put ti rangai box ya mo hemi bracket om ve ve te hi kan put ti photang pon se 25 chu kan la thazel mai nga ngai mo ama kan ding tho khan x square kan da a mo o mi zo 24 mai ang x square kan da ta hian dan x plus 5 kan da le ta minus 5 kan da x plus 5 kan da le ta 25 chu om ngai ro om ve char sela mo x square into x to x cube ani maya then plus x square le 5 put division 5x square ani maya then minus 5 le x put division 5x ani mai le ta a chuan minus into plus hi minus lo ni chianga panga mun nga som ni panga lo ni chiang chuan time plus 25 hi angai kan lo le ta ni chuan helai he kan hriat tur chu ni nga hi minus ni nga le plus ni nga hi in ang chia ma se assign nang lo ni taxi wangi kan cancel top thei mo kan cancel top thei ta ri chuan enge chuang kan ti chuan x cube plus 5x square minus 5x kan soi non le anga ta hian like terms pakhat ma lova chuwain bel le pai the om to lo vai hei answer ane mai ni mitam takin x square le x pu te hi tai panga le panga te bel ram pai ram te cancel from the thin ani lo like terms te lo chu belin pai chei lo thin mani angai da top tu kha answer ani mo kha se rangai. Now we'll explain it to in English. So x square minus 5 x square plus 5, we have to multiply it here. In addition to that, plus 25 is put here in the equation. That is the common difference that we have found from the previous exercises that we have done. So x square minus 5, you have to multiply it with x plus 5 first of all. Then as we have done it before, I have to put x square outside here and write x plus 5 inside the bracket minus, okay, here we have write 5, then x plus 5 inside the bracket. Then we'll take plus 25 as it is. Then we'll multiply this first. X squared into x is x cubed plus x squared into 5 is 5x squared minus 5 into x is 5x, minus into plus is minus, 5 5s are 25. Then plus 25 is still there. Here minus 25 and plus 25, the number are the same, but the sign that they have is different, so we can cancel it. Minus 25 cancel with plus 25. Then x cubed plus 5x squared minus 5x is the answer. Some common mistakes that the children used to make is here. They are trying to cancel minus 5 is plus with plus 5 here. That cannot be operated because they are not like terms. You can add or subtract the like terms only, but unlike terms cannot be subtract or add. That I want to remind you again. So in here, question number 4. Okay, some number 4 will do it. It's quite long, but that is not difficult. The long questions are not difficult, okay? Don't be afraid. So here, a plus b have to multiply with c minus d. Then between here plus is there. You have to multiply a minus b with c plus d. Then plus is there. Then you have to multiply 2 with ac plus bd. Okay, here we'll multiply it. Okay, here we put a outside, then c minus d inside here, plus here b we put outside as we have done it before. D is there, c minus d, we write it here, plus we write. Then we put a here, then c plus d inside the bracket. Here minus b is there, minus b, then c plus d will put inside the bracket, and we'll put this as it is. So here a into c is ac minus a into d is ad plus b into c is bc, plus into minus is minus, b into d is bd, plus a into c is ac, plus a into d is ad, minus b into c is bc, plus into minus is minus, b into d is bd, plus 2 into ac is 2ac, plus into plus is plus, 2 into bd is 2bd. Okay, here AC is here another AC is here. Both are carrying plus sign, so AC plus AC is 2AC. Okay, here minus AD is here plus AD, we can cut it. Okay, we can cut this. Then plus BC is here. Okay, plus BC is here minus BC is here, so we can cut it. Okay, then minus BD is there here minus BD, so we can add it because both are carrying minus sign. Minus BD is minus 2BD. Okay, minus 2BD. Then here 2AC is there, 2BD is there. So Here 2AC minus 2BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Here 2BD is there. Here another 2BD is there. But another one is minus sign, another one is carrying plus sign, so we can cut it. So the remaining one is okay. 2AC plus 2AC is 4AC. Okay. Then question number 7. Hmm. Just like the just like we have done it before here. 1.5x minus 4y. 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 is there. Here trinomials, we have found trinomials here. Then minus 4.5x plus 12y. Okay, we'll multiply these two terms. 1.5x, then inside the bracket we'll put 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then here minus 4y is there. 4y, we'll put 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 together. Okay, let's multiply. 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. X into x is x squared. Plus 1.5 into 4 is 6. X into y is xy. So 6xy. Plus 1.5 into 3 is 4.5. This x will be carried on with it. Then minus 4 into 1.5 is 6. Y and x will multiply. If you multiply, it will be xy. Then minus into plus is minus. 4 fours are 16. Y into y is y square. Okay. Then minus into plus is minus again. 4 into 3 is 12. This y will be carried on with it. So minus 4.5x plus 12y, will write it as it is. So here we have found so many things. Is there any other terms which carries x squared? No, there are not. So 2.25 x squared, will write it as it is. So here 6xy is there plus sign, here another 6xy minus sign, so we can cut it, cancel, no? Then 4.5x is here, here another 4.5x but different sign, so we can cut it. Alright, then 12y is there here, another 12y but different sign, so we can cancel it. So the remaining one only is minus 16y squared, so this will be the answer. So here in question number 8, a plus b plus c, you have to multiply it with a plus b minus c. So here, this a first term, we'll write it here. Inside the bracket, we'll put the second term, a plus b minus c, okay? Then plus b, we'll write it here outside. Then a plus b minus c, we'll write it here. Then plus this c will come here. And a plus b minus c, will write it as it is. So a into a is a square plus a into b is ab minus a into c is ac. Then here plus you write b into a is ab plus b into b is b square minus b into c is bc. Okay. Plus c into a is ac minus into plus is plus into plus is plus. C into b is bc minus c into c is c square. So there are no other a squared to add or subtract it with, so we write it as it is, then b squared also, then minus c squared also. But here ac, oh no, ab, here ab plus ab is there, here another plus ab is here, so together we have plus 2ab. Then here minus ac, you can cut with plus ac. Then bc plus, you can cut it with minus bc. So this a squared plus b squared minus c squared plus 2ab will be the answer. O ni sina kang kang so izuaya number 4 na hiyan. Number 4 na po kan hey kan punti ra kan a plus b le c minus d kan punti thot don ta ne. Use suan. Hmm. Hey kan punti phot nga suan hemi te pri kan punti le nga hemi te kan punti le to. Sang thawin ma kan tiang khan a po na kan la c minus d su kan la so hey plus b hi po na kan la le c minus d bu ka su kan la le ta. so hemi big su kan so phot an a minus b c plus d kan en ta a tai kan da le ta so c plus d tai kan da nga an minus b hi tai kan la le a c plus d ngai kan la le ta le so hei hi su ngai kan la sa ta kan pun tir ta a le c chu a c ni maya a le b chu a d ni maya minus sin tan tro b le c chu b c ni maya plus to minus minus ni nga b le d chu b d khating khan a le c chu a c plus a le b chu a d more ta hen b le c chu b c minus more minus to plus minus ni nga b le d chu b d ni maya 1 plus 2 le ac chu 2 ac ni maya plus 2 le bd chu 2 bd ni le mai ta ni ta hen kat thei kha om nual don ne thai che thei kha zon thai che thei kha om nual don ne ac hi thai che thei ne thei lo ni ac le ac chu plus le ve pu ta wangin 2 ac kan la mo minus lo manga moro on ad le ad plus le minus an ta ta ka te ya ad le ad tuan time bc no me bc le hela bc sin an ang lo ko ta ka te tu tin sen bd hi an tai na bd en minus sin kuwa hela tu minus sin tu bo on asan minus sin le ve ku tuan bel te minus 2 bd ta kan se ta ya tuan hela ni 2ac plus 2ac kan da na plus 2bd kan da le ko ka nga so tan minus 2bd oma tan plus 2bd oma ka kat le ta so engel la chong kan ni tuan 2ac hi ko ni oma plus sin le ve ku ya 2 plus 2 to 4 and ac filter o kha kha ne mai har sat nau no mo o hei ko hi angai a tho kha ne mai hemi te pani kan pun ti ranga mo hei angai kan la ka ta ranga pun ti da kha tu kan thiam to kha 1.5 kan da tuan as bracket 2 ba lo mai angai thab kan la ta tuan minus 4y kan da bracket 2 zo mai angai thab kan la le tuan ni angai kan la le mai ta kan pun ti ta 1.5 1.5 2.25 and ya x square maya 1.5 le pali pun ti chuan 6 ani nga x le y to xy maya plus 1.5 le 3 pun ti chuan 4.5 ani nga x ala ma cancel mo minus pali le 1.5 to pun ti chuan 6 ani nga xy ani nga minus into plus minus ani nga pali pun ti super y square mo then plus into minus ka minus ani nga pali pun tum super 12y mo chuan hei angai kan la sik thale ta ni chuan x square nei dang pakhat ma lo hei hi chu ngai kan la sa ta 6xy hi time plus ani helai minus ma kan kan tuk se te so 4.5 x hi he te minus plus kat tu to om le ta bu ka then 12y hi kat tu to hi te hi te ka kat te plus minus along to minus 16y square che mo then 2.25 x square minus 16y square ha ha answer to mai ta ni and some number 8 and a plus b plus c le a plus b minus c equals to 0 a hi kan zia ka po ta chuan a hun jok ta ka kan zia le ta like plus b hi kan zia le a hun jok kan zia le chuan like plus c kan zia le a hun jok kan zia le chu tin ni chuan kan pu ti to nga a to s a square a le b to a b minus a le c to a c plus b le a to a b plus b le b to b square plus into minus is minus b le c to b c plus c le a to ac plus c le b to bc minus c le c to c square in fact thấy có kan an don a square dang ang lo b square dang ang lo c square dang ang lo chu na pa chu kan se pot pot ta son ab hi kan enanga ab tai plus uma tai plus ab ka assign na tat mai kan belangai plus 2ab mo son ac ve thung hi ac tai uma ara ac ko plus minus ne ka sai nang lo kan tuk se mo chuan bc bc tay minus oma tay plus oma kan tuk se thei sai chuan hei zong he an sak tu mai ani ti chuan 9.5 ta na kan zir tu ta na formula poi mo te hela hin ko zeka hei hi lo thiam tu ne o lo fiat thiam ne a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square te a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square te a plus b into a minus b to a square minus b square te x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. Hemi take the he to the poly the nepal so much as of mathematics cover in the tools of what have basic factorization formula here. Mathematics cover out to the point more rank on a fiat rank to running. Kami thanks man zero period class there for 9.5 consider on a so khazung kha mathematics bi ka kan zir thei sela tuna chuan zandanga ka nidanga kan ti howin lesson pakhat an in zirtir le anga voina relative torina class 8 hotana kan zir ho durata kan no chu missing kan lo pian chu phat hian nun na kan nei ngala missing tung sawakal hi apiang sual kan ti te pian phongwa ban lo kan ti mai te tu moi lo sela heng te po hen nun na nei veka missing vek kan nei wangin pathian hian asiam vek kan nei a za umna kan nei veka ni za umna mani to ka za umna kan nei veka ami ta dela ni mo benga che ni mo manin zong thei lo bazar a zain zong tu ta lo to po ni the bo ma lo to po ni the maro chu kham missing khan nun na tho ane ke wa khan pathian nun na pathian na tanga chu na ne wa khan ama a khan pathian tho a om ta ta wangin za umna ane ve thina chu wang chuan missing hi tu ma in sit tu kan om lo wa mi alo dang lam dewe mo alo fel that pak lo dewe mo a chen chen nu za tha ko wang mo alo ke phung wala ban lo wanga mi in pusita nu za siam na na imanga chuan mi zo trong pu pa chuan pian sual le har chari sai lo ta nei ni a pathian tho ama a om kha iza lo an to awangin pian phung wal ban lo te nu za siam na nei man chuan ama a pathian tho om kha iza lo awangin mo ichunga engpo thang thei ani kha voina kan zir thei ni sela chuwang chuan missing thote thek to khodi chuan pathian tho ke mani oma bang ni za omna kan neya tuma in pusita in deu so tu kan lo wani voi khat thi theu tu kan ni a ramzau taki nei po in a to pa iliam na tur chu pit thong pit bu biala tau tho ni han muala mo hero nei chung chu chung den lo ra phun khan mai chuwang chuan missing hi in za lo tu bi kan om lo ve kha voina kan zir thei sela chuwang chuan in salpai taka thong te mi za pa lo ka thong te i lo ching thin ani chuan sim turin kan ngen ani kha voina kan zir thei bok sela a tha nge chuan du sakna tin reng nen mathematics tiam ta me turin du sakna tin reng nen in para phuna ta mal so na du sakna ka a chu am lo me